I'm super excited about this. So, you guys, I'm prepping for a cooking class and I received some recipe cards. They were on my wish list. Here are all of them. They were on my wish list. And the recipe has a title, the servings, prep time, cook time. I feel like it's just something cool to do for each class that I host, each class that I teach for this whole year. So at the end of the year, I can go back and literally have a recipe book of all the classes I've done over the year. Plus, say for instance that I'm at a class and someone wants to actually see the recipe. Like they may just want to look at it and go off paper or something. I have the actual recipe written down, whatever I'm doing, all my steps, and they can take that. Or if they even want the recipe, they can take a picture of it and take it home with them. So I think that was a pretty good thing to start doing. I'm super excited for the class, and you guys gonna see the prep that I will be doing for this class. Also, you see my laptop. Go to Food Vibes on YouTube because this video will be posted on YouTube. But check out my channel and all the exciting things that we have going on with Chef Chris, with Junior Vibes. Behind the scenes of Food Vibes. We got a Tabitha Brown vlog. All of that is so cool. So I'm gonna get into writing the ingredients. So for this particular dish that we're gonna be making, we need lots of veggies. So we need onions, carrots, celery. By naming some of these items, I want you to guys to guess what you think that we're making. I don't know if you saw the title of what it was when I held up the card. Hopefully you did. But if you saw the title, then you already know what I'm doing. So I said onions, carrots, celery, green beans. What else we got in there? Garlic. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Carrots, green beans, potatoes. Peas. Broth. That should definitely give you a real hint if you didn't know what it was by now. Trying to think. Oh, tomatoes. Okay. That might be. I'm trying to think. That might be just about it. And then seasonings. I think that's about it for that one. I need to write the title for this one. I think this is pretty cool. So by the end of the year, I will have literally a whole recipe book. I eventually want to do a community recipe ebook, so this can help with that. If you guys have some dope recipes that you would like to see done, I'm open to hosting a class with one of your recipes, and you can come in and help and things of that nature. Like I really want to expand and do some really dope classes this year, so I'm open to all ideas, y'all. All ideas. We have some very exciting classes coming this spring and summer, so I'm super thrilled about that. We're currently just getting the ball rolling on things, so stay tuned. What else we need? We need eggs for this, butter, water, sugar, flour, milk. So yeah, I'm going to finish doing this and y'all stay tuned because you're going to get a vlog, the rest of the vlog of what I do to prepare for my classes. Don't forget to subscribe right now. You know you love us. This is what we cooking. Subscribe right about now. All right, you guys. Now it's the next morning. It's about 7 a.m. We're currently packing the car, loading up all the stuff, the ingredients, utensils, everything that we need. Well, I need for my cooking class today. He was such a great help this morning right before school, because I definitely needed some little manpower. So y'all, I'm getting ready to head to class, y'all. I'm super excited. New opportunities, meeting new people, networking, cooking some amazing food. It's gonna be dope. One of my first, I signed 2 contracts, so this is one of the first ones. I take you guys along for the behind the scenes, as you guys have been seeing in this whole video. So y'all stay tuned. Wish me luck. Well, by the time you see this video, the class will be over and all that good stuff. But this is before the class, and I'm gonna do it after the class, recap little things. So I appreciate it. So I'm super excited because I'm using my big wagon for the first time, rolling up in here. This is the beautiful kitchen that I have the pleasure of cooking in. Y'all, it was so nice, so clean. Look at the tables, just amazing. Here's one of my students, Soup. Yeah, just put everything together and go get cooking. So y'all, just finished up with my class. I have to unpack my car and all that good stuff. And I wanted to let y'all know how the class went. It was amazing. I was nervous going in there, but within like 10 minutes, all that went out the window. I unpacked my stuff. I met people in the office, all that good stuff. People started rolling in for the class. I had 8 individuals today, and they were so dope. They were helpful. They were kind. They listened. They helped me clean up. And we really had a good time. So much of a good time when I went to go check out. The lady at the front desk was like, oh, some of them even signed up for the next class for next month. And that warmed my heart. Yeah, we had a great time. I can't wait to come back and do it again. I'll be teaching classes once a month at this location. And I'm just so happy and thrilled to see my business moving in the right direction and continue to meet new people. If you like this content, the behind the scenes content of my business, Vibez, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn my notifications on. Make sure you follow me on Instagram @_FoodVibezWay. Check out my website at www.foodvibezway.com. And that being said, we'll see you guys next time. As always, it's the Vibez Way. Y'all go have a great day. Be great. You are awesome. You are loved. You are magnificent. You are you. Stay safe.